there is something we need. It's a leap of faith, a step away from the comfort zone and be a little brave. So take a look around you. How far can you see? How far do you think you can run, standing on your knees? It's a beautiful world out there, just don't pass on the dare. If you have the will and a moment to spare, it's a beautiful world out there. It's a beautiful world out there.
Afternoon, guys.
Afternoon.
Welcome back to the channel. Where you been?
Where you been?
Yeah, just coming up to the end of March, Easter weekend coming up. It's Tuesday today, isn't it?
It is.
So Good Friday coming up this Friday.
26th.
Yeah, we haven't gone to Scotland in the end. It's delays and things going on at home, so we were delayed by about 4 or 5 days from the actual time we'd got to go. So we've ended up coming up to mid Wales, North Wales, a place called Devil's Bridge, just near Aberystwyth area. So we're just gonna have a look. We don't know much about it ourselves, so we're gonna have a look, see what it's all about. Parking wise, we just parked up on this car park here, and we'll have a wander around and see what it's about. Gizzy's here with us. On your mate. Right, let's go and have a look then. So this is there's a 2-hour walk, or there's just the Waterfalls, which is just Devil's Bridge there, look.
Which we'll do that.
We'll have a look at that. We're here now, this place here, which is just behind us, look. Across the road is where you go in. We'll find out how much in a minute to go through the walk. It looks like you have to go through a turnstile and down to the falls, and you can carry on doing the walk then if you want. And then the little railway, little steam railway somewhere as well by the looks of it. So we're here, aren't we? That's where we are, number 7.
Yeah.
Right, let's go and have a look. So there you go then, guys. £5 each, £10 for the tourists, 50p for a waterfall and guides. Did they say it's about 45-minute walk?
45 minutes.
Yeah, I'm glad I got my boots on. This is one of the first ones to look out for, didn't she say then? Go on then, Giz. So you got the walk, you must go back up and out. She said something about by the hotel, didn't she?
Yeah.
So there's a short walk and a long walk in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're carrying on up that way, aren't they, by the looks of it? Should we carry on that way then, or?
I just want to have a look.
Okay, yeah, just 2 seconds then. Glad me got my boots on. Can't see for the undergrowth. I can hear water. I can hear water, but can't see any. Yeah, where they've hammered pennies and coins and 10p's and 20p's, haven't they?
50p.
Dig it out.
Ram.
Can you hear it down there? Looks like the walk goes all the way round. It's just more undergrowth and you can hear the waterfalls. Number 3.
Yep. 3 is on the tree.
Yeah.
That's here.
Before viewpoint. I think it's all in the summertime. It'd be really you couldn't see much. You'd only hear it, wouldn't you? In the summertime.
Yeah.
So guys, yeah, we were going to do the NC 500, as you know, around Scotland, weren't we?
We were.
But we thought we'd lost 5 days, 6 days, which would have been the time trying to get up there, wouldn't it, really? So we decided to take one of Robbie Rome's books, which we bought the NEC, didn't we? We were going to do the NC 500, as Robbie knows.
Yeah.
But you need to have a look at his books. He's got one out on the NC 500 and all the places to stop and what have you. And he's also got one on North Wales, Mid Wales, South Wales.
And Ireland.
And Ireland, yeah, the Atlantic Way in it, or something like that. Well worth looking out for. So we've sort of picked up different places of the book. I've been to Aberystwyth, we both have, haven't we? But we've never been then down to Cardigan and
No.
what is it? Newquay, but not Newquay down Cornwall or whatever. There's a Newquay in Mid Wales, isn't there?
Yep.
And then further on down the coast. So that's what the plan is on this trip.
Plan.
Got the van back out again. It's all MOT, all running fine. Few mod cons gone on to it, upgrades, so I'll show you somewhere through this vlog.
No doubt.
Been adding more, haven't I?
Yes, always adding.
Not so much cutting holes this time,
Never
no?
satisfied yet.
Not cutting holes so much this time, though?
Yet.
Just time.
There is time.
So guys, if you're coming on this trip, it is a bit underfoot, and obviously it's a bit wet, and Claire's got some new shit. Hey, where's your Crocs gone?
In the van.
What happened to your Crocs? Are they your new Crocs?
They're my new Crocs just for now.
Your padded Crocs?
Yeah, they're comfy. They've got fluff in them.
Look at Gizzy's got on as well. Got his big duffel coat. Down to number 6 now, then. That's cool, isn't it? Look at that. Wow. That's a waterfall and a half, isn't it? Got some good viewing points down there, look, later on. Let me just switch to the phone, guys, so I can zoom in a bit more. Them are the steps we just come down to this waterfall. And you got this little bridge here, look. I'll have to carry Gizzy over here. The sides are open. Good that, isn't it? Look at that. Hold on to the phone tight. So where we're going to go back up. Look at that, all the way from up there, down them steps. This bit here, look, they've even carved steps out of the rocks. Look at that. That's cool, isn't it? Claire and Gizzy's gone up to there having a bit of a rest. I've been carrying them all out these steps. Bit of a plunge pool, or whatever you want to call it there, look. It goes down. Look at that. A force of water, eh? Steps are steep. Can't see so much here. I think you see more on that other ledge up there. You can see that little fill there, but it's going off and down again. This is the main one up here, look. Tree trunks for steps. Look at this. Keep holding my phone. Oh, you can feel the spray. Can you feel the spray in your legs? And that's just right back up the top. That was there where that little hut is down there, and you see that up there is where we started to come down. See it there? Down them steps, through the valley, up all these steps. Now we're up the top end coming out. Gizzy's done well. And you Claire.
I'm alive.
And here we have, the myth has it, Devil's Bridge, 3 bridges, where the devil crossed the bottom one. Them bridges there, look, just see through the trees. There's one at the very bottom, see better there, look. And then there's another on top and another one, so there's 3 in a row. See there, look, you got one at the bottom, an arch bridge, then a second arch bridge, then the main bridge, the main road now. And you're back out by this big hotel, which is out there. Right, go and find somewhere to park up and have a drink. Yeah, plan?
Absolutely. It's the
Yeah,
plan.
Giz, drink? Yeah, man, I need water beer. Devil's Bridge, the hotel by it. That's where you come out, just there, look, that little wooden hut place that we just come out. And then we walk back over the bridge. Gizzy. Devil's Bridge. Devil's Bridge, Waterfalls and 3 bridges in one. Top of the bridge. Van's up there. That's the start of the waterfalls going down. Right, let's go and find the van.